Why Epstein files matters. Recently, Bill Gates, you know, has been with a girl in an Epstein file released photo, and its picture is getting viral. It matters because Epstein files, as big names who are involved in the, you know, minor girls trafficking, you know, sexual scandals in which the girls are being sold, and this is completely against human rights. It matters because so many people who are your inspiration are not human beings. They are doing something very illegal and very dangerous in the name of social services to cover up their crimes against the humanity. So their very big names are coming, but it is all about sex scandals. But my concern is that why a human being is always surrendered by this intense sexual feeling. Why a human being, whether it's his very named personality, big person, comes in this trap. Why, in the name of sex, we all exploiting each other. We have even not leaving behind the minors, the some teenage girls, and we are in this very lowest of the humanity. So this Epstein files release, telling you, don't become a blind follower. Don't be a someone who believe on something, blindly, or some ideal. Be your own light. And this also tells that how, no matter how rich or the how people looks, but they are always slave to sex. And why this becomes so so much important? Because we are dead inside. We don't have any inner light in us. We don't have something beyond this test, beyond this taste. That's why we are so much trapped in this sexuality. We haven't understood this sexuality. We never meditated. We have never understood ourselves. That's why we all are slave to this. So we must understand ourselves. We must meditate. We must comes into spirituality, understand our lives, so that we may never make this mistake again. And let's forgive ourselves and face the legal consequences, and begin your new chapter, so that you become the inspiration for the peoples, because you did all things wrong. So Epstein file is all about sex scandal. And why I said this is important, because our life is very shallow. We are slave to this. We are surrendered over this intense urge, intense feeling, and which is winding us. So we must be aware of it. We must take insight over it. We must understand this urge, what is it all about. And if you are searching for the right kind of spirituality and meditation, you can join me. My spirituality course included 24 videos. There are videos on self-improvement, present moment, relationship, fear, suffering, who am I, awareness, observation, meditation, truth, and a guided meditation videos. My WhatsApp number 9773529489, giving in description too. From there you can join this course. Thank you very much.